Savings challenges, fun and creative ways to boost your nest egg. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Saving money is a crucial step towards financial security and achieving long-term goals. However, it's not always easy to find the motivation or discipline to consistently put money aside. This is where savings challenges come into play. These challenges provide a structured and engaging way to save money while making the process enjoyable. In this video, we'll explore a variety of fun and creative savings challenges that can help you boost your nest egg. The importance of saving. Before diving into savings challenges, let's briefly touch on why saving money is so crucial. Saving allows you to 1. Build financial security. An emergency fund provides a safety net in times of unexpected expenses or job loss. 2. Reach financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or traveling the world, saving is the foundation. 3. Retirement planning. Saving for retirement ensures you have a comfortable and secure future. 4. Enjoy peace of mind. Knowing you have money set aside can alleviate financial stress and provide peace of mind. The 52-week challenge. One of the most popular savings challenges is the 52-week challenge. This challenge involves saving a specific amount of money each week for a year. The amount you save corresponds to the week number. So you save $1 in the first week, $2 in the second week, and so on. By the end of 52 weeks, you'll have saved $1,378. The reverse 52-week challenge. The reverse 52-week challenge flips the traditional approach. You start by saving the highest amount, $52, in the first week and work your way down to $1 in the final week. This front loads your savings, allowing you to see substantial progress early on. The no-spend challenge. The no-spend challenge involves committing to a set period during which you spend only on necessities, like bills, groceries, and transportation. Non-essential expenses such as dining out, entertainment, and shopping are off-limits. The money you would have spent on these indulgences goes directly into your savings. The Roundup Challenge. This challenge harnesses the power of small change. Every time you make a purchase, round up the amount to the nearest dollar and transfer the difference into your savings account. For example, if you spend $24.50, round it up to $25 and save the 50 cents. The Cash-Only Challenge. Engaging in the Cash-Only Challenge introduces a tangible element to your finances that is often lacking in the digital realm. Handling physical cash encourages a more conscious approach to spending, as you can physically see and feel the money leaving your wallet. This heightened awareness prompts you to think twice before making impulsive purchases, ultimately curbing unnecessary expenses. Additionally, using cash provides a clear visual representation of your remaining funds, serving as a constant reminder of your financial goals. The Cash-Only Challenge also helps to break the habit of relying on credit or debit cards, which can lead to overspending due to the detachment from physical currency. This challenge encourages mindful spending, as you must carefully allocate your cash for various expenses throughout the week. Moreover, it fosters a sense of discipline and self-control, which can positively impact your overall financial habits in the long run. By embracing the Cash-Only Challenge, you're not only saving money, but you're also cultivating a deeper understanding and appreciation for the value of your hard-earned dollars. The Hobby to Savings Challenge. Do you have a hobby or a skill you're passionate about? Turn it into a money-making venture. Whether it's painting, crafting, photography, or any other talent, you can sell your creations to boost your savings. The Meal Planning Challenge. Food expenses can quickly add up, especially if you dine out frequently. The Meal Planning Challenge involves meticulously planning your meals for the week, creating a shopping list, and sticking to it. Not only does this save money, but it also promotes healthier eating habits. The benefits of the Meal Planning Challenge extend beyond just financial savings. It encourages you to make thoughtful, nutritious choices in your diet. By carefully selecting ingredients, you can prioritize fresh, whole foods and avoid excessive processed or fast food options. Additionally, meal planning can help reduce food waste, as you'll be purchasing only what you need for the week. This practice also saves time, as you won't have to make last-minute trips to the grocery store or spend unnecessary time deciding what to cook each day. Furthermore, having a clear plan for your meals can alleviate stress and free up mental space for other important tasks. As you get into the habit of meal planning, you may find that it becomes a source of satisfaction and accomplishment. knowing you're taking control of your budget and your health simultaneously. Overall, the Meal Planning Challenge is a powerful tool that empowers you to make positive changes in your lifestyle and financial habits. The DIY Challenge. Instead of hiring professionals for tasks like gardening, cleaning, or home repairs, challenge yourself to do it yourself. There are countless resources available online to help you acquire new skills. The money saved from avoiding service fees can be directed into your savings. The Entertainment Substitution Challenge. Swap expensive entertainment options for more budget-friendly alternatives. Instead of going to the movies, have a movie night at home. Replace pricey gym memberships with outdoor workouts or home exercises. These substitutions can lead to significant savings over time. Conclusion. Saving money doesn't have to be a mundane or daunting task. By incorporating savings challenges into your financial routine, you can turn the process into an enjoyable and rewarding experience. Whether it's the 52-week challenge, the no-spend challenge, or any of the other creative approaches mentioned, finding the right challenge for you can make a substantial difference in building your nest egg. Remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to financial security and achieving your long-term goals. So, pick a challenge and start boosting your savings today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep chasing your dreams.